Hello and welcome to this release notes video about ABMT 18. ABMT 18 just released and it's a small release, so this video won't take very long. It's mostly a bug fix release, smaller features that are useful for small embedded systems. I've ported ABMT to the Arduino Uno, so here's a small example. I will make another video about that later, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Here are the changes for ABMT 18. So state machines now use member functions instead of std function. That saves some memory and is a bit more elegant than the past solution, which was a bit oriented at the design pattern state machine. Yeah. Then the matrix and the vector types now have float and integer types pre-declared. It was possible before, and now you can convert between these types. So yeah, the ABMT time class now uses int64 instead of double when you want to convert it to seconds or something like that. If you want to have a double, then you can use seg2. Here's another important note. The control examples, so that the PT1, PT2 and some filters won't work with ABMT 18. So the pre-ABMT 18 control examples won't work now. They will because of that change. So when you have copied the workspace, just update the control example when you want to use these nodes. Yeah, and the rest are bug fixes and examples in state machine and the simulation runtime. So that's it. Not a big release, but important. So so let's talk a bit about other stuff I've done. So I've created some new GitHub repositories. So here's the Arduino runtime. Here are the nodes for Arduino, and I created a UC math and a UC devices example. So here are basically all my I2C devices I've ported. So yeah, this repo just contains all the devices I have. So the e-paper display, and here's an display, an OLED display, the soft PWM stuff, an I2C scanner is in here, and the MPU, famous MPU accelerometer we see here. So this can control the LEDs too. So they are now in this repo, and then the UC math repository. There are some filters that you can use on microcontrollers. So let's look into this real quick. There's an counter for float, there's an integrator for float. Basically, this comes from the control examples, but now with other types. Yeah, so feel free to use it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.